Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new patient to Patient Pilot. Really, really important to add your new patients right after they complete that first visit, and ideally before they step out the door. That is really, really important because it's going to help improve your practice retention. How and why? Because you're going to send that patient, when you enter them in, a welcome email that welcomes them into the practice and really sets the stage for an awesome patient experience. So to add a new patient, you're simply going to visit the members area, members.thesmartchiropractor.com. You're going to log in. This is my test account here that you'll be able to see. So once we log in, there are going to be two places that are really easy for you to add a new patient. One is on the right-hand side, right under Helpful Links. You're going to see Add a New Patient. I have it highlighted right there. You can click there. Or on that hamburger menu, those three lines that we call hamburger menu, up in the right-hand side, you click there. You go down a little bit, you're going to see Add a New Patient. So either of those places or either of those links are going to take you to the same place. We'll click Add a New Patient. It's going to bring you to this screen right here. This has my logo. You will notice your logo on this page. A couple things that are important. One is please enter in the patient name, email, and phone number. Then all you have to do is click subscribe. That's going to enter them in, and it's going to power that automation immediately. The second thing you're going to want to keep an eye out for is the URL that I highlighted up at the top. You can see it says members.chiroemails.com and a whole bunch of letters and numbers after it. That is going to be a web address, a URL that you're going to want to save or bookmark. You do not need to log into your account to get to this page, and this is you and your practice's only unique page. So if you save this URL, then all you have to do is either have this open in a tab, which I definitely recommend, or have it in your bookmarks, and then you just simply open the page, leave it just like this, and as a new patient is checking out after their first visit, you just type in that first name, email, mobile phone, click subscribe. That enters them into the system, gives them the welcome email, as well as it automatically puts them into all those Journey to Better Health weekly emails that will come down the road. So really easy to add a new patient. If you have any questions, reach back out to our team. We are happy to help. Please be sure that you are adding new patients because we're going to report that data back to you. And if we see you're not adding new patients, we're going to bring it up to make sure that you get the best results possible utilizing Patient Pilot. Have a great day. Bye-bye.